Hi everyone! Remember, by using a multiplication or distribution method for multiplying binomials, we're going to start with the first term of the first polynomial. I multiply 3x times x, that's 3x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. Then distribute the 2, so 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So if we combine those like terms, 12x plus 2x, that's 14x. So now we want to know, how do we go from this type of expanded trinomial and factor it into those two binomial factors? In this section 6.3, we're factoring trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. By the end of this section, students should be able to factor trinomials of this form where a is not 1, because that's what we did in the last section. They should be able to factor out the greatest common factor and then factor trinomials of this form, and also factor perfect square trinomials. So in order to factor ax squared plus bx plus c into two binomial factors, note that a is the product of the first two coefficients. So this number times this number is a. C is the product of the last two coefficients. So those what are usually constant parts of the binomial, that's going to be c. And b is the sum of the products of the outside coefficients. So we'll be looking for two numbers whose product is a times c and whose sum is b. And of course, there's fewer choices for the product. That's why we start there first. So in the next videos, we will learn more about factoring the trinomials of this form and perfect square trinomials.